Geometric sequences. Consider the sequence 2, 6, 18, 54, 162, and so on. The sequence begins with a 2, and we get each successive term by multiplying the previous term by 3. We can state this sequence using a term-to-term rule as we get the next term by multiplying the previous term by 3. So mathematically, we express that as un plus 1 is equal to 3un, un plus 1 being the term that comes after un. Often you will see this just expressed in English. And u1, that's the first term, is equal to 2. Or we can use a general rule as un is equal to 2 times 3 to the n minus 1. If we look at the terms of the sequence, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, let's just do the first 4 terms, we can see that we have 2, 6, 18, 54. And if we look at differences, we can see the first difference here is 4. So when n goes up by 1, the term goes up by 4, but the next one goes up by 12. As soon as this is different, we know we're dealing with a non-linear sequence.